The Biden administration has notified the U.S. Congress about its decision to transfer technology for manufacturing F-414 jet engines in India, which signifies a major step forward in the $1 billion deal. General Electric will transfer 80% of the technology required for manufacturing the engine in India, and this technology infusion will enable India to domestically produce the engines that will support the production of Tejas Mark II and MArG Mark I. The chairman of Munitions India Limited has said that it has received a government-to-government order for export of 2 variants of grenades from a Caucasian country. While the customer has not been named, it is expected to be Armenia, which is procuring the 30mm grenade launcher variant that can engage targets at 1,700 meters, and 40mm under-barrel grenade launcher variant that has an effective range of 400 meters. Bharat Forge has confirmed that it has achieved record export sales of defense equipment in the first quarter of the current financial year. That includes the 155mm 39 caliber MArG self-propelled howitzers to Armenia, as well as the 155mm ATAGS also to Armenia, and it has completed the delivery of first half supply order. Eyeing the 163 logistics drones order by Indian Army for high-altitude region, the ammunition factory Khadki has developed a 200 kg drone that can deliver ammunition to posts in high-altitude zones. The Army has carried out trials for 20 days in the Tawang sector, during which it successfully conducted a flight with a payload of 60 kg ammunition at a height of 5,500 meters and covered a distance of 36 kilometers for a period of 45 minutes. After the Hammer air-to-ground weapon last week, another picture of the Tejas Mark I aircraft equipped with ASTRA Mark I Beyond Visual Range missile has emerged online, which shows that the aircraft is all set to conduct the ASTRA Mark I test very soon. Another snapshot of Tejas Trainer has also emerged online, showcasing the FOC standard aircraft in a production-ready state ahead of its anticipated first flight later this month. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has partnered with Italy's Leonardo to compete in the contest to supply 220 air defense guns and 142,000 rounds of ammunition for the Indian Army, while Larsen & Toubro and Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited are the other participants in the 6,500 crore rupees contest. The bidders will have to build a prototype and get it approved before the award of contract. IIT Delhi researchers have designed a bulletproof jacket for Indian soldiers that weighs only 8 kilograms, which is 2.5 kilograms lighter than the 10.5 kilograms variant currently used by the Indian Army. It complies with the latest requirements and are capable of defeating 8 AK-47 hard steel core rounds and 6 sniper armor-piercing rounds. The technology is now ready for technology transfer to Indian industry for production. The Indian Navy's Director General of Naval Armament has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Bharat Electronics Limited to collaborate for Life Extension Refurbishment and Upgradation of guided armament.